My name is Sonal Patel. I'm an occupational therapist. I work for Fairfield Board of Education. We are at Stevenson School Therapy Room. So at this time in my room, we see about 58 kids a week. And due to COVID, we are not allowed to see 2 kids from 2 different rooms due to cross-contamination. This light helps us because every time one student leaves in half hour, I stand outside, I turn the light on with my app, go bring my other student, which is my 5-minute transition time. And in that time, the room gets sanitized and we do not have to work on surfaces are cleaned. The light is very easy to use versus sanitizing. With sanitizing, you do get some residue on your papers and your products versus this light almost eliminates every germ in the room when the adults or the students are not in the room, so it is safe. For me, I think the most important thing is the time. It's only a 4 or a 5 minute that everything gets cleaned and we are not waiting to let it dry, a surface dry, or someone to come and spray it, or if somebody's allergic to a chemical or any of those above.